Hi, kindergarten. You're going to be working in your math workbook still. We just finished page 209. Now we are doing page 210. So everyone should have flipped one page. It's on the back of 209, and we are on 210. Up here it says, ring the picture that matches the statement. So we are going to be using words like below, behind, between, beside, and next to. And these might be some words that you heard when we were doing some of our one-on-one testing. So on this one it says, the hexagon is below the square. The hexagon is below the square. Well, first, which of these shapes is a hexagon? Remember, a hexagon has how many sides? 6. Good. Because these two are called squares. So we want to find the hexagon that is below the square. And which one is that? And it says put a circle around it. So let's circle which one it is. That's right, it is this one. All right, moving on to number 2. Circle. The circle is beside the triangle. Beside. What does beside mean? I want you to decide whether the circle is beside the triangle. Which circle is beside the triangle? This one or this one? I want you to decide because I'm going to have you take a picture of this page and show me the finished one on Seesaw. So I want to see which one you chose. Did you choose that this is the one that has the circle beside the triangle? Or is this one the one with the circle beside the triangle? Next, I'll read number 3. The rectangle is behind the triangle. And the rectangle is, yes, the green shape, right? It has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. So is it behind the triangle on this page? Or this one? Or is the rectangle behind the triangle on this picture? Circle which one you think it is. Number 4. The circle is next to the square. The circle is next to the square. Are these two next to each other? Is this circle next to the square? Is this picture next to each other or on top of each other? Which one? I want you to circle which one you think means next to. All right, and last one, number 5. The circle is between the square and the triangle. So we're looking for the circle to be between the square and the triangle. Which one is it? Which one has the circle between the square and triangle? Circle which picture you think it is that they are asking for. And then when you are finished, I want you to post this picture on Seesaw. Thank you.